Forecast with Corey McCloskey on Fox 10 News.
So the big headline is snowing up north.
Yeah.
I know, everyone's very excited.
You're doing
So are
your
you.
weather
You're
dance.
obviously-
I know.
dancing.
I get really revved whenever we get a little bit of snow.
You should.
I know. Maybe 2 to 4 inches by the time we get to tomorrow. So we'll see what the whole forecast looks like. Perhaps for you, I know everyone's grooving in the studio today. Temps are going to be on the cool side at least through tomorrow. So if you're looking for that warm up, you'll have to wait until Saturday. But it won't be long before skies start to clear out. Right now, we're checking out the big old sky cam up there on the campus of Northern Arizona University. Again, things are kind of quiet there. Not much accumulation on the ground. They've seen some light snow, but we're just waiting for things to really start to pile up as we get on into the evening hours and overnight. That's when most of that snow will be falling. Again, 2 to 4 inches possible here across the Flagstaff area, and you can kind of stretch that on out into the mountains as well. And speaking of the mountains, this is the White Mountain region here from Show Low down to White River. We've got the snow flying. It's pushing its way on over toward the Round Valley. So there's something out there for everybody, and the wider look shows a few light sprinkles here in the East Valley stretching on down toward Casa Grande. Not really amounting to much. A lot of this at this time of the year is kind of evaporating before it gets to the ground, but there's a chance for everyone to pick up a little something as we roll through the night. So in fact, in the desert parts of the state, best chance for rain will be tonight. So if you're traveling along I-40, it's just starting to push its way into Flagstaff, but if you're heading west from the city, you'll be driving under some weather the whole way to California. So keep that in mind. We've got showers from Vegas all the way down to east of Kingman along the interstate. And then again, in Flagstaff itself, snow flying up around Snowbowl, but right in town, not much happening at the moment, but there's plenty more. You get back toward Belmont and Parks and things are a little bit snowier. So once again, it's pushing all the way into Apache County. We've got the snow showers going, and they'll start to add up as the night rolls in, but not a devastating snowstorm by any means. It'll be out of here by the time we get to tomorrow. So 42 for Winslow now, 54 in Tucson, and a quick look at your numbers across the valley. Mostly 50s out there. 55 is a pretty good number for just about everybody, and your almanac shows the usual low at about 48. We're right on target. On the high side, though, we're going to be a little bit lacking. We're typically up closer to 70. We'll get there again by Saturday and then on into the rest of next week. Numbers should be pretty good. Look at this. It's still 3 below zero in Denver. They're probably not going to crack the zero mark today. 13 below at Billings. They started the day at about 22 below zero, and that cold air continues to press its way southward. Beautiful clear skies across much of the upper Midwest, but this next snowstorm is getting its legs under it. Not quite as powerful as the one that rolled through yesterday and the day before, but they don't really need a whole lot more snow in northern Arkansas, that's for sure. But they're getting it today. So 65 for Lake Havasu City, 54 in Globe, and then tonight down we go, 13 up at the South Rim and 33 degrees in Safford. And as we roll into the next few days, chance for showers overnight tonight, tomorrow, maybe a morning sprinkle, but after that, skies will start to clear up, and that leaves us with a pretty good-looking Saturday and Sunday and beyond.
Very nice. Thanks, Corey.